So how do you save your photos to the favorites on the iPad? Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials like this one. Anyways, you open up your Photos app and there are a few things when you make pictures show up in the full screen, like a couple of controls and like the edit button, but there is also a heart icon, and this heart icon, when you enable it or when you tap on it, will essentially move the photo or it will add it to the favorites photo album. So that is the simplest way to do it. You'll be then able to find your favorite photos in your gallery. Then when you go to the collections, you should be able to find it in there, but if not, you can just as well go to the albums and the favorites should also appear right here. But yeah, that's generally how it works. As I said, you can as well create it manually, where you go to the albums and just create a new one and name it like your favorites, which are not the official hard icon favorites, but you can create an album and add the photos there if they are like different kind of favorites, if it makes sense, right? So that is how it would generally work. It's pretty simple. Let me know if you managed to set it up this way on your iPad as well. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.